Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove encryption in Messenger. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up the Messenger. Alright, and what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and open up your account and log in with your account. And then basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead, and before you do anything, go ahead and back to your screen, and then go ahead to the settings, move along to the next step, click on general, move along to the software update, and make sure that your iPhone is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to my Messenger, click the three bars at the top left, and then go ahead and click the settings gear, and then basically right here you're gonna be able to see privacy and safety. Click on it, and here you're gonna see end-to-end encrypted chats. Click on it, and here you're gonna see the security alert right here, and basically go ahead to the view logins right here and make sure that you log out on the devices that you are not using anymore, right? And then go ahead to the message storage and basically delete the secure storage if you have one, and then basically that's it. So let's run on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.